If you've been diagnosed with cataracts, the right replacement lens can help you achieve your vision goals. Cataracts are a natural part of aging that affect nearly everyone by the time they're 65. With over 4.2 million procedures performed in the U.S. every year and a high rate of success, cataract surgery is an exciting opportunity to take control of your vision. During cataract surgery, your surgeon will remove your eye's clouded natural lenses and put in replacement lenses. And choosing the right replacement lens is an important step in your journey toward a brighter, clearer future. There are a range of replacement lens options available to you, and your surgeon can help determine which one fits your specific needs. A monofocal lens is a basic cataract replacement lens that can help you see with clarity far away, but you will likely still need glasses to see up close and at arm's length. Because cataract surgery is a once-in-a-lifetime chance to invest in your vision, many people opt for trifocal lenses or extended vision lenses. With a trifocal lens, you'll be able to see clearly far away, at arm's length, and up close. Extended vision lenses provide enhanced vision far away and at arm's length, as well as functional near vision. And if you experience other conditions that affect your vision, like astigmatism or presbyopia, it's possible to correct those during cataract surgery. Monofocal, trifocal, and extended vision lenses all come in toric versions, which are designed to correct astigmatism. And presbyopia symptoms can be mitigated with either a trifocal lens or an extended vision lens. The cataract replacement lens you choose can have a lasting impact on what you can see and do post-surgery. Tell your surgeon what you want to see in your future and get ready to see life clearly again.